One for correction 1758, we're ready for home.
Scandinavian 1758, line up runway 29 and wait.
Line up 29 wait, go on. correction 1758.
Scandinavian 1758, winds 250 degrees, 3 knots, runway 29, cleared for takeoff.
29, clear for takeoff, scale 1758. Good morning, Scandinavian correction 1758, 1500 feet climbing.
Scandinavian 1758, Gdansk approach, good morning, identified, direct devil, climb flight level 260.
Climb flight 260, direct devil, Scandinavian 1568. Okay. Scandinavian 1758, Mayday, 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 we have smoke in the cabin, we are returning to Gdansk for landing immediately, turning right now, 290.
Scandinavian 1758, Gdansk approach, Roger, Mayday, do you prefer left or right turns?
Yes, turning right now. We have oxygen mask on. We have oxygen mask on and we are turning right now.
Scandinavian 1758, Roger, turn right on heading 095.
Heading 095, Scandinavian 1758.
Scandinavian 1758, and please, when ready, report souls on board and fuel remaining.
Fuel remaining is 3,800 and we have souls on board 93 souls on board. 93 souls on board. Fuel is 3880.
3800 and 93 souls on board. Confirm?
Affirm, 93 souls on board.
Any dangerous goods?
Say again?
Any dangerous goods on board?
No, negative, no dangerous goods. Scandinavian 1758.
Scandinavian 1758, Roger. Are you able to make a visual approach, or do you want to give me...
We will make a visual approach, Scandinavian 1758.
Copy. Scandinavian 1758, and please confirm, it's smoke in the cabin?
Affirm, we have smoke in the cabin.
Visual approach?
Affirm, we'll make a visual approach to runway 29. We are on a right-hand downwind now to runway 29.
Scandinavian 1758, you are cleared for visual approach, runway 29. You are number 1.
Thank you. We'll make 29, visual approach for runway 29.
Scandinavian 1758, contact tower 118.1.
Tower 821, bye-bye. Fifth lane, Scandinavian 29, and there will be an on-ground emergency for Scandinavian 1758. It will be an on-ground emergency. Oh. We're stopping on the runway.
Roger.